I can't even find the actual. Okay, this is it. Oh my god. Twist, the one I cut off. There'll be a shower gel as well. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. I don't know. I think it's so dark. I just let in the light off. Anyway, good morning, everyone. It's a new week. Welcome back to another vlog. Wow, I just realized, yeah, I'm starting a new vlog today. So welcome back to a new vlog. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is your first time. Yeah. This is not very appropriate. Coming to you guys like this to start a vlog. Let me put this on because my hair looks a mess right now. Oh, talking about my hair, I've had full locks installed a couple of times in the past. Yeah, about twice in the past. Yeah, and I don't remember, but it's been a long time, so I don't really remember how strenuous it was getting them off, taking them down. But I do see a lot of early stars talk about how stressful, how strenuous taking down full locks can be. Yesterday, I experienced it first time. Oh, God. I am in pain. I am in severe pain. Last night when I was cutting it, my phone ran out of memory space, so I don't even know where I left off. But last night I was taking down the full locks because I want to just take them down. I don't want to have them on this week. The plan is to change my hairstyle over the Easter break. This was the first one. While I was taking it down, first I was unraveling, but you know, the hair is already tangled up and it's kinky braidiness. So you can just imagine it was already tangled up and locked around my hair. So it was quite a hassle to unravel it. I was unraveling it in my mind and saying, no, I must reuse this hair again. Mind you, that was the second time I was reusing the hair. But I saw that it could actually work another time. I could actually use it for another hairstyle because they look good. I only wore this hairstyle for like 2 weeks, right? So I was like, okay, let me just be patient and unravel. I should have stuck to that. I should have stuck to that. But at some point I'm like, when will I finish? Then I got tired and I went and picked a scissors that, okay, I'll just pull out my hair. That is the usual way I do it, that I'll just pull out my hair and cut off the extension. Tell me why the second cut that I'm making, I cut my hair up to this point. You guys, I did not know how I felt. Like, what? I can't even find the actual. Okay, this is it. Oh my god. So this is the hair. That's the twist, the one I cut off. See, look at it. Look at the normal one. See how much hair I cut off. So I'm like, hey God, I beg go. Then I proceeded with caution. So I thought. Only for me to snip another one and, you know, look at the, I don't even know why I looked at. I just looked at what I cut off. See what I cut off. cut off like literally the entire strand of hair, like the one almost the whole section of hair. So the thing is, I did twist so that it will be easy for me to take down after I take off the extension. So I did not know that some of the twists have unraveled. So when I took down, brought out the particular twist from the extension, I thought I'm only expecting to hold one strand of hair, right? Little did I know that the hair had already loosened up. So I cut the other half of the twist with the extension. Pray for me, you guys. Like, squeeze some money, man. Like, because I did not even know how to feel. I cried. Yes, I cried. At this point, breakdown. I broke down in tears. I was crying like a child. Thank God it is at the back of my hair. Just imagine if it was this one. I might as well just cut off the entire hair. This is so painful. Like, squeeze somebody in my hands. Oh my God. Guys, today I started my day rather unusual. I'm trying to challenge myself to wake up early and get things done. So I woke up at 5:30. Yeah, 5:30 this morning. I woke up and got started with editing a video. I already started editing the video, so I continued editing it. I finished editing one this morning right before I resumed work. So my routine was a bit shifted because this past couple of days I've been washing my plates before like dawn. So when I woke up at 5:30, I totally forgot that I had dishes to do. That is why I just did the dishes now. Anyway, let us feast. Leftover fried rice from Sunday, some turkey, and dessert is just Greek yogurt and granola and water, of course. welcome back to another day. Yeah, it's another day. So on my way back from work, I went and did a little bit of shopping for some things that I have run out of, like shower gel. So I went to Shoppers Drug Mart and I picked, because yeah, they had the red tags, so I got to stock up. So I got 2 of the exfoliating scrub. I like this variant, so I got 2. They went for $5 and some change. Almond, these 2 body washer, I took these 2 variants because they are going for $5, so I picked them. I know that for the next couple of months we are covered. I even got Obi a shower gel as well, because this one is going on sale. It looks so it looks like some expensive type of male product. I think the original price is upwards towards $20, and it was going for $8, maybe $16 or something like that. But since I saw it was on sale for $8, I took it. I think it's going to have a nice smell. Yeah, it's okay. So those are the things. Oh, and I also got like sanitary towel. So those are all the things I got from Shoppers Drug Mart. Yep. Then I also went to the Asian store. Yesterday I went to the Asian store, but I forgot to get onions. So, and this is like leading up to the weekend. I'm not going anywhere again, so I got some onions. I bought mango, babe. I got mangoes. The last couple of times I bought mangoes, they were so green. They were not ripe. They were so hard. I had to throw the bulk of it away. But as I entered the store, I saw these ones looking so pretty, and I'm like, these ones are soft for sure. They're ripe for sure. So I took 4. They go for 2 for $5. So yeah. I picked 1 tin tomato because I don't want carry load. And I took Cajun spice because of Popeyes. I also got some mushrooms. I want to use it for stir fry. I've never cooked with mushrooms before. What else did I buy? I picked this little coconut milk just in case I feel like doing something with coconut milk over the weekend, because I can't carry loads. So I picked the smallest. And I picked instant yeast. I have the other type of yeast that I try to use to do puff puff in December. So I decided to buy this one because I think this one is easier to work with. And yeah. Oh, I also got carrots for my stir fry. And that is all I got from my shopping spree. Oh yeah, and some tissue paper.